Good morning. My name is Lana. This is Tarot Oracle and Runes. I have some messages from our angels this morning. First of all, this is a message for a special collection of you. And your angels are wanting to tell you that some of you need to or are advised to go outside once it's dark and pay attention to the night sky. You might see, depending on where you are, you might see, you might be in one of those rare places where you see some of the meteorite showers, or you might be in a place where you can just go outside and gaze up at the sky. And when you do that, if you go outside, the angels are saying, and ground and focus on receiving messages, that some of you are going to get some very special messages meant just for you. They want you to realize how unconnected we are anymore from the energies of the universe sometimes, especially if you live in the concrete jungle, so to speak. If you're so enmeshed in the bigger city life that it's hard to get out and actually tap into the universe, find your local park, find your, maybe you have a friend that lives on the outskirts of the city, or you have a special place you can go. If not, maybe even your own backyard or the rooftop of the building you live on, if you have access to that. Be very careful if it's something like that. But they're just asking that you look up to the night sky and realize how infinite it is, how much potential you have inside of you. Realize the vastness of the universe is something that you are a part of. That sometimes when you go outside and just ground and center and just focus on the stars and open up and ask if the angels bring you messages, that you can get some, I'm hearing messages, realizing that you have infinite potential, that yes, you, this tiny person on this huge planet, part of this universe, you are connected. It's just a matter of sitting and grounding and opening up to the universe and all the possibilities. Some of you who feel like you are star seeds might also get messages from, okay, one of my spirit guides also just tapped in to certain planetary shift energies. Someone's going to get some kind of a message from something you see in the sky. I keep picking that up this morning. I keep hearing the number 13, 13, 13. So some of you might start experiencing a spiritual awakening when you go outside and realize that you have infinite potential from the universe and from your angels. They're saying there are some messages for some of you that when you go outside and release all your worries, all your cares, we, the angels, are going to come in and help you. We will guide you and send you signs and synchronicities. Pay attention to the roadmap of your life. Release any doubts that you are getting messages. So guys, I'm seeing this angel come in for some of you. Some of you are going to see something in the night sky that's going to be like an aha moment. And you're really going to realize, for some of you, that you are a spiritual warrior. And if you follow the signs and the guideposts, you will receive the messages. We're here for you. We're going to guide you. So they're sending me some signs and symbols. I got it earlier, but I didn't. Some of you might see a white bird, a dove, or something about a white bird, the white dove of peace, which could be a message or a symbol for one of you. Notice if you see any clouds, the different colors of the clouds might have meaning for someone. Someone's going to see the cloud shifting as energy shifting, a spiritual awakening, an enlightenment. An energetic portal opening up that you see in your mind's eye. So in your third eye, a spiritual awakening for someone. That's really going to help bring clarity to a situation that you're facing. What else? For someone that feels alone, you are not alone. We are with you. All you have to do is listen with your heart. Something about a blue flame. A park, trees, hidden realms, in between the realms, during meditation. Pay attention. Whoa, expanded growth. Expanded growth. Chakras lighting up. A stoplight. Red, green, yellow. They're coming through with symbols. For some of you, pay attention to the symbols that you get during your nighttime visits. So guys, I'm feeling like this really super duper expansion. Numbers pouring in. That's why they're pointing out this card again. Super duper expansion. And loads of messages from the universe pouring in. For some of you, a nearby stream or water source might be important. Spiritual awakening. Okay, so they're pointing out the purple. So guys, some of you are meant to find a certain stream near you or make a special holistic journey or healing journey to, or when you go to a certain water source or focus on water in some sort of way, it will help open up a spiritual enlightenment or spiritual awakening for some of you as the next level, they're saying. The water carrier. Let me grab the healing deck here, guys. They're saying something about healing waters. So let me grab this healing waters deck. There's a message here for someone. Let me grab a couple of these cards. and something about the night sky. Something about the water carrier. So water is important for somebody. The water code is on the bottom. I haven't even shuffled yet, guys. This is to help bring in, and then there's the water carrier. So they just said something about that. And I just split the deck. Y'all saw that, all right? What really matters, reprioritize. So somebody's being directed to shift your energy. Ooh, there's a face in there. There's a little face here at the bottom. Can you see that? So, and I always see this as a whale's tail for some reason. So if you live near the ocean, or if whales, maybe whales are a symbol for you. They're really bringing in some kind of duality of nature here. Some kind of duality of nature. Whatever that means. Does that mean something for somebody? Let's get a couple of these healing waters, Jack. What else do you want to tell them, angels? What else do you want to point out? Okay, they're telling me to shuffle just 3 times. So one more time. And then 3. Okay. So let's see what's on the bottom. Use your voice, expanse, and freedom. And you see there's a 3 on there, guys, right? There's 3 girls. So 3 is important for somebody. This is going to help you find some balance. The number 3 is important for someone here. And I'm feeling, again, this duality. They're saying something about duality. Something about 3, the number 3, helping someone to become more focused and not be so, maybe of 2 minds about something. Going outside and looking up and getting grounded in and paying attention to the sky is going to help you to find some kind of balance. Okay? So your angels are trying to come in and tell you that there's something that you're meant to talk about, speak about, find balance about. Okay, see all the angels back here? This also has to do with past lives. So maybe some kind of healing in a past life that you need to pay attention to. Okay, that some kind of message is trying to come through to heal the duality of two parts of a mind. And you're going to get that message. Okay, so, and also, we're also getting the message 13:3. I keep getting that today. Okay, so somebody is not speaking out and using their voice in some sort of way that they're supposed to be. You're in two minds of something. Okay, but you are going to find the balance. So they gave me the symbols to give to you, and this is for a small collective of you. Okay, and this has something to do with some of you that have the same, that are going through the same kind of spiritual awakening right now. Some kind of, I keep getting messages too about spiritual leaders of the future, in whatever way that you're meant to spread your knowledge, your gift, your message. Okay, going out in the night sky to pull it all together for you is going to help you to find that focus. Okay, and the symbols that they gave me. Okay, and again, 3 is also important, and the number 13 is important. And you will find the balance, and it is about bringing some kind of duality and becoming more focused and healing something that's in an imbalance in that duality. So I hope that resonated with y'all. The angels have also told me not to keep the messages short and keep them more focused. So we're going to stop there. I hope this resonated for some of you. And love and light to everyone. We are all in this together, and the angels are with us.